Hi, I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, a custom furniture shop in St. Petersburg, Florida. And I'm going to talk to you about wood lathe chucks. I have a chuck here. This is a 4-jaw chuck. Pretty common design. Some will come in 3-jaw. I prefer the 4-jaw. It's a little bit more stable. And it works similar to a drill chuck in that as you turn one portion, the chuck opens and closes. One of the nice features of most of these chucks is that they will allow you to clamp in not just on the inside of the chuck, but on the outside of the chuck as well. If you were to turn a bowl, you could cut what's called a dovetail in the underside of the bowl, and if you can see, there's just the slightest angle right here. So as this jaw expands, it's going to lock into that dovetail groove you've just cut in your bowl and will hold it in place, allowing you to turn the opposite side of the bowl. These chucks come in various sizes. This is about the smallest you'll get. This will allow me to hold a 3-inch piece. I've seen them up as large, readily available. I've seen them as large as approximately 8 inches. And each one comes with different jaws that allow you to hold on to works of different sizes, and maybe in slightly different styles, but they all work in the same basic manner. That's a little bit about lathe chucks. I'm Dave Trull with the Trull Gallery, the fine art of furniture making.